Good afternoon, team. I'm here to show you how to set up your automatic replies in Outlook, which our office will be switching over to for emails from now on in the very near future. First, what you'll want to do is open up Outlook, which I've done here. You'll go up here in the corner to File. Once you get to File, you're going to find this square. It says Automatic Replies. You will click on Automatic Replies. You'll push the button for Send Automatic Replies. You can set up an automatic reply here for inside our organization as well as outside of our organization. A nice feature is also available to set up automatically a time range in which they will be sent out as well. Once you have put in your information for your automatic replies, you will hit OK, and your automatic replies will be set up at that time. If you have any questions, please let me know or a manager know, and we would be happy to go over that with you in more detail. Thank you so much. Have a great day.